So Google has an AI tool that can allow you to do a lot of things. In fact, this AI tool is best when it comes to doing research because it is integrated with Google search engine that can allow you to make in-depth research on any topic you want to research about on the internet. But a lot of people do not really know that they can actually make money with this one tool. And I'm going to share with you 7 use cases you can actually make money using these tools in this video, so you can look for other alternative ways to make money from the comfort of your home. So please make sure to watch to the end so you know which of the use cases that will actually work for you and you can start making money with them as soon as possible. So the first one is creating slide deck. Now this is a very serious problem for a lot of companies, especially SaaS companies. They have tons of files and they are always looking for people to help them, arrange this file in ways that it can be easily seen and understood, like read, understood and interpreted, stuff like that. So they want someone who can actually do this. And previously, if you're doing this manually, it's going to take you hours or even days to put together, depending on the size of the file you're working with. But this is something you can easily do with Google Gemini by simply giving it a prompt and it's going to prepare a beautiful slide. Now for you to know that you can actually make money with this, if you go to Fiverr and look for people that create slide deck or pitch deck, you're going to see these people are earning a lot of money. This one is charging 23 euros to do this one is 32 euros, this one is 81 euros, this one is charging 225 euros to do just one work. And as you can see, there are a lot of them here, people that are into this, and they have a lot of people patronizing them. Like this one is charging 36 euros, and as you can see, he has already 1,000 plus jobs here and it's also top rated. So these are services that you can use this skill to do, and you can just prompt the AI tool and you're going to get everything ready. The best part is these Google tools are all free to use. Like you don't need to pay for any credit or anything to get started. It's just you giving it the prompt and you're getting the result. So for you to do this, you're simply going to go to Google and look for gemini.google.com. Once you have gotten gemini.google.com, then you're going to create an account if you don't have anyone. So I already have one, and this is an example of what I did. Here I gave it this prompt and I also gave it the style and everything to get started so that it knows exactly what to do. Now for you to be able to get the best result out of this, you must make sure that this is set to canvas. It must be in canvas mode before you put your prompt for you to get started. So this is the prompt I gave it on canvas mode, and I specified everything, including the number of slide. I included the visuals of the slide and everything, and then the raw data. Then here is the result it gave me. So if I click here, you're going to see the way it created a very nice slide for me to see and everything that I need, including the maps and everything. So you have a visual representation of what your data looks like for better understanding, interpretation, and better decision making for your company. So you see how well arranged with nice font and color that is well coordinated if you look down, and everything that you need to know. So this is the end of the slide, and you can also view this in bright mode or in dark mode depending on your preferences. Like I gave it in the prompt, it created 12 slides and 13 is for the questions, which is something I did not even ask for it, but it actually went ahead to do this one. So this is one use case. You can actually make money off of this by creating this for clients or for anybody who wants this, and it's just a matter of you putting the file together and giving it the prompt. So the second use case you might want to consider is creating travel itinerary. For people that are into travels, you can tell that this is a lot of work, and for people that always move around, most times they just go to Google to ask questions about where they are going, or even when they are there already and they get confused, they always pull up their phones to start researching about the place. But you can put all this together by you asking Google Gemini to help you with this, and I'm going to show you how to do that, including how you can actually get your maps together so you can know how to move around in a new city. So this is very important. And if you come to Fiverr to look for this service, you can see that the number of persons that are offering it are not really much. They're about 776 at the time of making this video, and you can see how much they are charging here to create travel itinerary for anybody that wants to travel. And these people are actually getting jobs. Like this one already has one job and she charged 90 euros for it. And as you can see, the amount people are really charging for this. Now, what will make you stand out from these people is your ability to integrate a personalized Google map, because everything I have seen here, nobody is doing that here. And you can actually do that using Gemini, and I'm going to show you how. So as you can see, I gave it this prompt: you're an expert travel planner specialized in solo budget travel across Europe. So the prompt is quite long, but it is very detailed about everything I need when it comes to my stay, the places I want to visit, the timing, and all of that. So as you can see, I gave it a detailed prompt, and once it reads this, it gave me a detailed solo budget. This one is for Tokyo and it's a budget itinerary for 7 days. So as you can see, it gave me a detailed something for me to put together and deliver as an itinerary for whoever that wants to travel with this. So it is very cool, very simple, and it did not really take much time to do this. So as you can see, I also went ahead to ask you to turn each day into a Google Map route so I can share it. So here is the Google Map. Now the best part about this is you can actually use your phone to open this. So if you open map, it will show you the list of everywhere that I planned to visit. Everything is personalized to what I want. So you can zoom in to know everything about your travel, where you want to go, the timing, the means of transportation, and all of this. This is something that I did not see anyone put up on Fiverr. So if you're interested, you can quickly go and include this, and you can give your clients a personalized, Google map for their movement once they get to their destination, and you can easily share the link for them to get to know where they're going and how they're going to get to wherever they want to go. So this is case study number 2. So the third case study you can actually use to make money off of this is by creating MVPs to validate startup ideas. And this is gold because there are a lot of startups springing up every day and they need people that can help them with validating their ideas and all of that. So they need documents to help them visualize what actually they want to do and how they want to do it. So this one, you're going to use Google AI Studio, which is another Google tool that can allow you to work with it for free. So to do that, you're going to open up AI Studio and then you come here where it says build your ideas with Gemini. Then you paste it here. So here is the prompt I gave it to prepare something for me, and after going through the prompt and the information and everything, I click here so it can start building up. So again, if you come to Fiverr, you're going to see that people offering this service are even getting paid very high. Like this one is charging 449 euros, so it's charging 90 euros, so it's charging 108 euros to be able to create MVPs for SaaS development. As you can see, there are a lot of people offering this service and they are getting some jobs. Like this one has done 138 jobs, this one has done 9 jobs, this one has done 2 jobs, and all these other things here. As you can see, this one is even charging 2,241 for this job, and it has done 5. As you can see, people are actually patronizing people to do this job. So if you're interested, you might want to check this out. So as you can see, it has created an MVP. This is something you can use to validate your idea. If you're into SaaS, you will understand better. And the best part is this prototype is actually working. Like it is responsive, as you can see. So on a normal day, you're going to pay people thousands of dollars to be able to create this, but this is something you can actually do on your own by simply giving it the right prompt, and it's going to give you everything you need to validate your idea. And this is a working prototype, so you don't need to get stressed about it when it comes to what you need to do to get started. So if you're interested, you might want to check out this particular one. The fourth one is leads widget, and it can be anything. Most especially, it could be a calculator that can generate hundreds of leads. It could be anything, but provided it can be able to generate leads in terms of collecting information, especially emails from people that are coming to sign up. So businesses or SaaS companies are actually looking for people, and they'll pay you a lot of money to be able to do this for them. So you can actually do this using Gemini again, but this time again, you're going to use Google AI Studios to generate this. And to do this, you just copy your prompt and you go back to Google AI Studio, and then you paste your prompt and allow it to build what you need for you. So as you can see, within minutes, it has created a growth leads ROI calculator. And the best part is it is responsive. As you can see, this is something that will cost SaaS companies a lot, and you can actually send your report here. You have to fill out your email. Like this is actually working. And the best part about all this is you can actually publish this, or you share it with your colleague in the office, and you can see it's integrated to Google Drive that you can actually share by just giving people access to check it out, or even to use it for whatever they want to use it for. So on a normal day, you're going to pay people a lot of money to come on board and do this for you. So this is another way you can offer this service to people and start making money from the comfort of your home. So the fifth way you can actually make money by offering service using Gemini is by doing call audit for people, especially businesses. They want to be able to analyze the conversations they had with their clients, to know what they did wrong, how to get it right, to understand their clients better, and know how to approach their service to their clients. So this is something that a lot of businesses need. And again, if you come to Fiverr, you can see that there are lots of people offering audit services, and just this one is offering the call center audit service, like something similar to what I talked about. So you can actually do this and stand out by simply analyzing conversations that businesses had with their clients, and you're not even going to do it yourself. You just prompt the AI to give it the file and it will do the work for you, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So you're going to get the prompt. So as you can see, here is the prompt I gave it. It says you're an elite sales coach and communication analyst with 15 years of experience, and it's quite lengthy like the other ones. So in the end, you're going to attach the conversation either as a transcript or as an audio file, depending on which one you have. So to make it easier, using it as a transcript is way better. So you see the transcript is here with the timing and everything. So in the end, of course, like I mentioned before, you always use the canvas mode here before you paste your prompts. Like if you click the canvas mode, then you paste your prompt for you to get the best result. So after prompting it that way, it gave me this result. And if you open it, you're going to see the analysis of every conversation based on the topics you told it to look into and everything, the objection handling scores, the recommendations for next steps, the online coaching verdict, and a lot of other things here. This is gold. If you're into business, you understand better what I'm talking about, and this is very much needed. So you can actually render this service and get paid for doing it. And the best part is they will not pay you like few hundreds of dollars. You're going to be earning a lot of money doing this, because on a normal day without AI, this is going to actually take you a lot of time to achieve. So but with AI, everything will be run for you smoothly and you get the desired result as long as you're able to talk to the AI the right way. So the next case study I want to consider is converting your videos to blog. Now this is very important, especially if you're content creator, especially long form content creators on YouTube. You can actually repurpose your videos into blogs and post them and also make money off of them. And you can actually do this by simply using Google Gemini. The best part is Gemini has access to your YouTube page because it's all Google products, and they can actually read link that you sent from YouTube. Like they can actually go into to get detailed information about what you're asking. So that is what made Gemini outstanding from other AI tools. So to do that, you can just copy the prompt, and here is a prompt for this one, like I've asked it before, and this is quite lengthy what you want it to do for you. So with one of the videos I created, it's the result it gave me. This is a well-detailed blog post that I can post on any blog if I want to start getting people to read, and I can actually make money off of this by incorporating maybe affiliate links, depending on what topic I'm talking about is. As long as the links are related, then people can actually come, make purchases and earn commission. That is another way of making money. Now, for people that don't know about this, you can offer this as a service so that people that have YouTube page that want to convert it but they don't know how to go about it, this is where you come in to help them out. So this is very easy. All you have to do is just to copy everything, and if you want to make any tweak to it, you can actually make tweak to it by taking it to Google Docs and make any arrangement before you post it on your blog. So that is another thing you might want to consider. So the seventh one is another one that is highly in demand, which is YouTube channel audits. Now you can actually do this audit in so many ways. You can use it to audit your competitors to know what they are doing and what you can do to stay ahead, or you can use it to audit your channel to be able to know what you're not doing well and how to do it well. So this is exactly what I did. I audited my channel with this, and you guys, the result it gave me is mind-blowing. So here it is the prompt I gave it. Everything about the prompt is here, and this is the result it gave me. While I was going through this result, I was shocked at everything it was telling me, and it was reflecting what I feel is right about my channel. So a lot of things here that it has given me. So this is another thing you can do. You can offer it to service. You can help YouTubers, tell them I can get you ahead of your competitors by running audits on them and telling you what to do to stay ahead. So the best part is it's going to give you recommendations, everything you need. Like as you can see here, it gave me recommendations about what I should do when it comes to call to action, upload, and all this stuff. Like it's a lot that you can go through and implement to stay ahead. So these are the 7 use cases you can actually use Google Gemini to make money from the comfort of your home. The best part is nobody's talking about this, and you can take advantage of it now by listing them as your service on Fiverr or going into people's DMs to ask for this service. And of course, if you are a virtual assistant, this is gold mine for you. It can help you stay ahead of other virtual assistants, because these are micro tasks that you can use to make people's lives and businesses' lives easier. And these virtual assistants stand better chance of having access to clients to be able to do these jobs for them. So if you found value in this video, please don't fail to like and subscribe. And if you're looking for other skills you might want to learn, I have partnered with ISDF, which is Interaction Design Foundation, which is number one when it comes to online design training. So if you're interested, you can grab the link in the description. They're going to teach you a lot of industry in demand skills when it comes to designing websites and apps. The best part is they have communities that will help you. And another thing you need to know, they have job boards that can help you look for a good job when you're done with the program. So you have a lot to gain. And the best part is you are going to save money by the time you start learning from them. So if you're interested, don't forget the link in the description. And if you want to make any job application soon, I have prepared a 12-in-1 job application bundle that will help you from the process of looking for job to the process of preparing for interview. It is all done for you to customize to suit the job role you're applying to. So you do well to check that out in the description of this video. And if you are interested in all these prompts, just let me know so that I can put it together, and I will link it in the comment section. Once I get a lot of comments about it, then I will let you guys know. And please don't fail to like and subscribe. That's the only way you can encourage me to keep making videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.